Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm you have the Apple ID credentials and access to the paired iPhone. Turn the watch on and keep it charged. Make sure the iPhone is nearby and unlocked. Open the iPhone's Watch app or go to iCloud. Calm if you prefer a browser. If you own the account, sign in with your Apple ID. This is required so activation lock can be removed securely. Once signed in, locate the device list or the watch settings to begin the removal process. Once you've signed in, go to the Watch app and tap All Watches. Select the watch and press the info icon. Choose Unpair Apple Watch. This triggers a device erase and removes activation lock when you enter your Apple ID password. Make sure your iPhone stays connected until the process ends. Alternatively, on iCloud, use Find iPhone, select all devices, pick the watch and choose Remove from Account. These steps erase and dissociate the watch, so it can be paired by another Apple ID. When the unpair and removal finish, restart the watch and try pairing it to confirm activation lock is gone. If the watch still requests the previous Apple ID, ask the original owner to remove the device from their iCloud account. Once they remove it, restart pairing. If you cannot reach the owner, gather proof of purchase and contact Apple support for help. They can clear activation lock with proper documentation. One tip: if recovery stalls, try signing out and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.